there is no border. There was never any border. The border between Pakistan and Afghanistan, the Durand line, there was no. My government is the first time we have fenced that border. This is the first time. So that's one aspect. Now you talk about the ideology of Taliban. My ideology is in Pakistan. We follow what we consider our Sharia. We are following our line. So let the Taliban, what we hope is, in time, they will, with a consensus, with an inclusive government, they will evolve. But Becky, have we got any choice right now? Now tell me, if you do not back government and do not help the people of Afghanistan right now, it's not a question of Taliban, it's people of Afghanistan. If the world international community does not help them, what choice have we got?